Okay, we're going to take a look at a few algebra problems. This is out of 5.5 section, so Chapter 5, Section 5 of the textbook. And these are problems that you're just going to have to do one step at a time. They're concepts that we've already learned, and they're kind of combining a bunch of them to finally, to get to the answer. So on one like this, we want to do what we've done all along, and that's divide the equation into two sides. Okay, now we got to take care of this set of parentheses. So if you remember, here's what we did, okay, a while back, using a distributive property here. So 4x, 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times 1 is 4, equals 28. Okay, now we want to get rid of our plus 4, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we got to do the same thing to the other side. These cancel. So on this side, we're left with 4x equals 28 minus 4, okay, which is 24. And our last step is to get rid of this 4. It's 4 times x, so we divide by 4. Okay, so that cancels out the 4 here. So x equals 24 divided by 4, okay, which is 6. So the solution is 6. And you can try it in here. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 4 times 7 equals 28. So it should check out once you have your answer. Okay, let's look at one that's certainly a little more difficult here. Okay, same procedure here. Divide the equation into two sides. The equal sign is what separates one side from the other. So 16z plus 16 times 3, which is 48. Okay, on this side, 4 times z, 4z, plus 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, now we have variables on both sides. The whole thing is addition, so that's a good thing. If there was some subtraction, we might add the opposite. So we want to get the variable on one side. So I would get rid of the 4z, okay, by subtracting 4z from both sides. So we subtract it from both sides here. Okay, so this cancels. We have 36 left over on this side. Over here now, we go 16z minus 4z is going to be 12z plus 48. Bring your 48 down. Okay, now we got a two-step equation, and this should be able to handle from here. We need to get rid of the plus 48, so we're going to subtract 48. Okay, these cancel. 36 minus 48, negative 12. Okay, equal sign. We got 12z here. Now, oops, I forgot my z. Now I need to get rid of the 12, so I'm going to divide by 12. Do the same thing to both sides. The 12's cancel, so z equals negative 1. Negative 12 divided by 12 is negative 1. Okay, then you can try it up here in the problem. Put a negative 1 in here and a negative 1 in here, and you should get the same amount on both sides. Okay, negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2, and 2 times 16 is 32. So I get 32 when I have negative 1 in for z here. Here, negative 1 plus on 9 is 8. Okay, and 8 times 4 is 32. So I feel pretty confident that I got the problem correct, because when I put it in, it does check out. I get 32 on both sides, and 32 equals 32. So the bottom line on these problems is one step at a time, and don't get overwhelmed by the initial part of the problem. I think that's the importance of doing it one step at a time.